How to fix YouTube videos. Suddenly getting dark on Android. If YouTube videos suddenly become dark or dim on your Android phone, don't worry. This is a common issue caused by display settings, app features, or phone system options. Let's fix it step by step. First, check YouTube's in-app brightness setting. Open the YouTube app. Play any video. Tap on the screen once. Now look at the brightness slider on the left side of the video player. Swipe it up to increase brightness. Sometimes this slider gets lowered accidentally, making videos look dark. Next, turn off YouTube dark mode temporarily. Tap on your profile icon. Go to Settings. Tap General. Turn dark theme off. Now check if the video brightness improves. Next, disable adaptive brightness on your phone. Open Phone Settings. Go to Display. Find adaptive brightness or auto brightness. Turn it off. Adaptive brightness can reduce screen light while watching videos. Next, check extra dim or eye comfort modes. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility or Display. Turn off extra dim, eye comfort, blue light filter, reading mode. These features can make videos look darker. Now update the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store. Search for YouTube. Tap Update if available. Outdated apps can cause display bugs. Next, clear the YouTube app cache. Open Settings. Go to Apps. Select YouTube. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Do not clear data. Finally, restart your phone. This refreshes system display settings. To summarize, check YouTube brightness slider. Disable dark mode. Turn off adaptive brightness. Disable extra dim and HDR. Update YouTube and clear cache. That's it. These steps will fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and stay connected for more Android fixes and YouTube tips.